students, Class 9, Chapter 9 Probability, Types of Events. Let's see one by one. First, equally likely events. What is the equally likely events means? Two or more events are said to be equally likely if each one of them has an equal values. Each one of them has an equal chance of occurring. Equal chance of occurring is the called equally likely events. That is, equal chance of occurring means one of the event get 50% means another event also we get the 50%. That is the equally likely events. See, likelihood of happening of two events are same. Here we take the example. In a event, I get a number, even number in a dice, that is 2, 4, 6. And in another event, I get a odd number, that is 1, 3, 5. See, this is 50% and this is 50% in a total sample space. This equal chance of occurring is called a equally likely events. And then another example, in a first event I get all the even number, that is 2, 4, 6, and in a second event I get the number 1, and the second event I get the number 1 only. Now this 2 is not an equally likely events. Equally likely event. So this is 50% is the equally likely, equal chances may be there. How you get this 2, 4, 6? By 3 trials, 3 experiment only we can get 2, 4, 6. Here 2 is the one of the experiment, 4 is the another experiment, and 6 is the another experiment. Here we have 3 experiments, but if you want to get a chance of 1, we have only 1 experiment to get the number. So it is not equally likely. Equal chances they have to give. That is the condition, right? And while tossing the coin, I get first one head, and then second event I get tail. In a first event I get head, second event I get tail, means this is the equally likely event. That is 50% they have both equal chances they given. This term is called a equally likely events. Next we see the certain event or sure event. What is meant by sure? Sure means compulsory there must be any one of the value, that is sure. See the definition. In an experiment, the event which surely occurs is called a certain event or a sure event. See, when we are flipping a coin or throwing a dice, surely we get any one of the number. That is called a sure event. Surely we can get any one of the number up to the number 1 to 6. Without the number, by throwing, without the number we cannot have that experiment, right? So when we have the experiment, surely we have any one of the result. Either we can number 1 or number 2 or number 6, like that. And at the same time, when flipping the coin, surely we get any one of the result, that is a tail or a head. So this event is called a sure event. Then this event of sure is probability is equal to 1. Always it is sure event is probability as 1. Surely we get one value in a experiment, that is the probability of E is equal to 1. Next we see the impossible event. Impossible means it is not going to be happen. That is the impossible event. So see, in an experiment, if an event has no scope to occur, then it is called an impossible event. For example, if in a die we know that the number 1 to 6, I need the event of getting a number 7 in a dice. We know that the number is 1 to 6 in the dice only. Getting the event of number 7 is impossible event in the dice. When 2 coins are tossing, when 2 coins are flipping, we need 3 heads. How it is possible? We are having only 2 coins. We need simultaneously, we are flipping the 2 coins. We need 3 heads at the same time means it is impossible event. We can say a lot of examples in impossible events. One child is entering the first standard class or LKG classes, and then suddenly we conduct the exam for the 9th standard portion for that student is impossible. That student is not able to write the 9th standard portion. That is impossible. In our examination, we have set a mark. The maximum mark is 100, right? We want to get greater than 100 mark is impossible event. Less than 100 we can take. Even you can get 0 also. But more than 100 is impossible event. And then we have a lot of examples. What is the event of getting star in the morning? It is impossible event, right? So these impossible events are denoted as 0. So the sure event is always 1, impossible event is always 0. And we have mutually exclusive event and complementary events. Let's see in the next video. Thank you, students.